Hey guys, it's CrafTea, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 satisfying DIY clay slimes, perfect for gifts or just to make for yourself. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first clay slime we will be making today is a circular ball slime. I don't really know how to explain this, but basically you're just going to want to take some of your clay, here I'm using a pink one, and you're just going to want to roll this out into a log and then start ripping off little pieces of the clay. I did them in different varying sizes. Once I had done that to all of them, I just started rolling them into balls. I used orange, pink, blue, and a darker pink. Now I can just do a really fun time lapse of how quick that looks, but this is how long it actually took, and I had to do this for every single one. I'd say making all of these took me about a half an hour to 45 minutes just to make these, so it's not a fast process. Next I created a little pocket for my slime because I had filled up basically my entire table, but if you do this on a larger table you don't have to do this. And then I just took some of my plain white glue slime. I have a ton of recipes on this, so you can look them up if you want to find out more. And then I just started by putting the largest balls that I made on the bottom, as you can see here. Then I went into the medium size, and lastly I put all of the smaller balls on top just to fill in any of the spots that I thought looked a little bald or that I thought needed a little bit more. And that's it for this one. Enjoy the ASMR. It was so satisfying to mix in all of the little balls that we had made, so I would definitely recommend making this slime. Okay, now for the second clay slime. This is a little cat clay slime. I love how this turned out. It is so adorable. So the first thing that I did was make the little sculpture. I made a black cat, and this is the time lapse. It was so short. This, in reality, took me half an hour just to make the cat sculpture. A lot of these clay sculptures look like they take no time at all, but they actually take hours. So this is what it turned out in the end. I love how it looks. The last thing I did was take some of my white glue slime and I put my sculpture on top and mixed it together. Okay, now for the last slime that I'm going to be making in this video today. This is a swirly, sort of colorful, almost mesmerizing slime. But for this slime, I took a whole bunch of different colors of clay. I took purple, pink, a different color of pink, 2 kinds of blue, and green. And I have white, but I didn't end up using it. What I did to them was I rolled them all out to roughly the same size. Then I took some of my white glue slime. I used about this much. I don't know, this is probably like about 8 ounces. And then I started rolling these little strips together. As you can see with the blue one, I tried to like not put the colors that are similar too close together. And then I just kept on rolling them and rolling them. It's kind of hard to explain, but you can see in this part of the video what it looks like when it was done. And then I just formed the slime into a ball, placed it on, and I was finished. Comment down below now what you think the color of this slime is going to turn out to, because it turned into a way different color than I was expecting. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I hope you enjoyed this sort of more like back to the basics. I feel like I haven't done a slime video in so long. I hope you guys still like these. Comment down below if you do. I love editing them and I love making them. They're so much fun. I just don't do them that often. But if you guys like them, I will do them more often. But anyway, that's it for this video and I will see you guys next time. Bye!